Y'all know I love my recycling crafts, but I thought this was super awesome. I found these 100%, what are they called? They're called green toys, 100% made from recycled milk jugs. So I found a whole bunch of these gifts for my daughter, my nephews, stackables, this awesome fire truck. So you can be looking out for something like that, this green toy for your kids, instead of buying a lot of things that are not recyclable plastic or cheap things. That's one really cool alternative. And then another thing I love doing for recycling is thrift store shopping or discount shopping for something that's new or vintage at a thrift store. So with this, I was going to show you. So I saved a couple of my Aldi chip bags and I just washed them, and we're just going to flip it over. Now, if you would need a bigger size, you would have to tape the sides together to make it longer. But both of my pieces that I'm going to be wrapping with this are quite small, but you can see a little bit of my struggle later on. And total disclaimer, I am really bad at wrapping. I always have been. I don't know. It's something I struggle with. Many people laugh at my wrapping skills, aka my husband. So I'm just basically wrapping it with some tape. And I've honestly, if anyone has any tape alternatives that they use, or maybe something that's just a little bit less plastic, let me know what you use. I would love to try some different alternatives. I do use string, but I still find that things fall apart if I don't tape it. And just to jazz up this silver foil look, I just added some red twine that I already had. I believe I bought it years ago from like Ross or Marshall, something like that. But I've seen this, and I've even seen Dollar Tree carry a couple different colors of the little colored twines. And there you go. With that struggle is my first piece that I wrapped. Now the second one is that 100% made recycled toy that I found. I have seen these at Walmart, Target, other discount stores, but I just thought this was so perfect. And you see, here is my struggle. I'm like, oh, how do I wrap this weird size? It was the perfect amount to just wrap it regular. I tried a couple different ways and just couldn't figure out, because I'm just that bad at wrapping. So I'm just going around wrapping one piece here and there, and I just tried to make the seams look the best that I could. Now, as I have also said, I love reusing bags, Christmas bags, or even just plain bags, plain papers. Another thing that I grew up doing is using comic newspapers or any other newspaper to wrap things, old boxes that were cute, you name it. You can recycle, upcycle, anything to wrap Christmas presents, just to make things a little bit more sustainable and not throw as much away. I'm definitely no expert at saving the environment or recycling, but we all can do a little bit, and we can all try a little bit better. So this is just one way I like to try to become better. And that's it for my wrapping paper. And here I just wanted to even show my sister sent this for my son. It's so cute. It's just a little paper bag that she wrapped and just wrote his name all pretty underneath the other 2 recycled bags. So I just hope you guys have a little bit of a different take on some wrapping and maybe cause you to think of redoing something that you normally typically do for this holiday season. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment, like, and subscribe below, and I'll see you next time.